Venezuela di chuakali 7.2 magnitude earthquake ahigna 32 manu murisharo satso upar manu jokumba lagodi Sorgabra state of emergency elan huigna se. US Geological Survey hisab chuakali Venezuela laga west of Caracas di 7.2 magnitude earthquake ahisharo itu pichide 7.5 magnitude bra hit hushe. Tuita tangor earthquake bra pura desh ki hilai disharo bishi nuksan huitia chane paishe. Kindu buildings kan bishop bangi jalaga kopar paise. Idakla nohoigna Simon Bolivar International Airport dibi infrastructure damage wa karan bon kuri tigina sero domestic aro international flight di diktari samna hobole hoshar dishe. Mamla uberligna Venezuela laga interim president Delcy Rodriguez bra desh di state of emergency elan krishe. Aro daibra 32 June mura aro satso upar manu chokumba laga elan krishe. Kindu death toll do pari jabule chances taka chnaiche. Tesh dia same personal gun deployed to ignasero manukan buildings laga debris kandi patsigina taka kangi search operation chuliese.
Mierda, huevón.